So this is where we park our car.
The vent. Okay, there's arrows.
And then we're riding a shuttle
It says
bus.
vent this way.
Here. Almost there. That's the bus. We ride back. We're here now in the school bus.
Garment!
Ezekiel.
Make sure you guys board garment on your way
Bulag
back.
may
If you're
ulit
gonna
ka
ask your driver, you guys might end up in ODAC. You guys don't want to do that.
Long line. Zeke, look, yes. Yes, look. Wow. Oh. It's just maybe it's nice when it's hi. Tiap whoop whoop.
Whoa! It's right up there. It's going down.
So ani ana ta sa area nga mag-inspection na guys. Share ko lang ang among experience kay first timer lagi. So wala mi kibalo og unsa ang among mga pandalhon ug di dalhon. Unya ang si Manang nagdala-dala man murag isang sakong snack para lagi sa mga bata para digut mo makaon pero nago ni kabalo ko nga nago ni mga baligya-baligya. Agoy pag-inspect Zay, Zong, dili na siya pwede dalhon sa sulod. So, nahinayang si Manang kay ipabutang sa trash can. So, bisan pa man sa mga bad experience, nakasulod, gihay lang gihapon nga nakakuha ticket na. Nakasulod na, naka-experience na, bahala na lang. Dili na to, dahilan nga mabad mood yun ta atong bad experience. At the end of the day, we're having fun. So, try for experience.
Look, you can sit there, Ezekiel. Go sit.
Oh, is it scary?
Matthias, look at here. Hi, Matthias. Hi. Gusto ka masulod, pila ka pila. Pila. So we go. Oh, Mati! Wala. That's this thing, guys. Utility aircraft. Yeah, because Ezekiel is scared, guys. So this is Daddy's turn and the boys. You go, Ezekiel. Because ang Ezekiel mag-scared man. Hi! See, it's not scary. Where's Matthias? Hi.
Sarah.
Hey. Hold on, okay. There's a lot of vehicles here. Layo lang. Oh, tapol na. Tapol.
minutes away from being drinking our KC formation team of this year's show again, Garmin.
Oh, love that. Now, check this out. We've got a 3-ship coming at you. This is the Mini Karen. And I tell you, this group has so much support from their spouses, from their family. The reason it's called the Mini Karen is because we call it Miss Yobo Karen. She was actually out there one day, I think, with like some solo cups. You know, they're like designing these different maneuvers they could do. And she came up with this beautiful one. They called it the Karen. And they did a little modification to make it the Mini Karen today. So.
Well,
Love
I
that
thought
support.
maybe don't be a Karen, but in this
Oh,
case,
good call.
Yeah,
Good call. Maybe it's evolved. Who knows? All right, to get out, fly their RVs together, practice, practice, practice. We saw one kind of peel off, so you can see they're able to modify their show on the fly and literally get back into these awesome formations, no issue. So, love that.
you call them RVs. RV is a recreational vehicle, yeah, but it's named after the designer of the aircraft series called, I believe, Richard Van Brunswick out of Oregon. It has become, his design of the different models of the RVs have become the most widely used and built and
Offs from the FAA and fly them in air shows like this. So it's just really incredible what's out there for you. So if you guys like kind of tinkering around and always having a project, this is a great kind of avenue to put that in, especially if you love aviation like we do.
and they may call them experimental, but for
Great shots off of that one, so certainly check them out on social. And what they're going to do as they kick that smoke on is once they hit show center right over the Angels, they're going to do what we call hit ball first. Here we go, folks. Oh, I love that. And especially, it's like they plan the winds perfectly, so all that smoke is just hanging exactly in perfect frames. I love that.
spectacular.
All right. So
Now it gets fun, doesn't it?
it so does. I have heard about this thing they do called about the same time he did, and they're going to do essentially a tail chase here for you, Kansas City. So it's interesting because they've just spent the last several minutes flying in very tight formation within feet of one another. And now
Look,
we have
Matthias,
this
watch.
new element of separation, yet we want to keep a certain level
You
of
like it?
spacing. And
That's
they're
cool,
blowing
huh?
smoke in each other's faces, literally. So, being in the aircraft yesterday, I can tell you one of the kind of the tricks to keep your kind of eye on the ball, if you will, or on your person in front of you, is you try and stay below that smoke line, right? Because you don't want to get blown in the face with some smoke, bro.
But that really is fun. I've done this on a couple of occasions,
Yes.
just chase the smoke, and that really gets to be a fun deal. And the way they do this dynamic maneuvering, as it's called.
How high they were going to get with this move, because I know they're trying to find cooler air, you know. So maybe a couple of degrees up there, but you know, that's all right. They'll open up. We've kind of terminated this snake dance. You have 3 aircraft that just gave smoke on, and they're coming at the crowd here. They got smoke on another step.
Naagi pang uhaw.
So they really are willing to talk to anyone that wants to get
Wow.
in this kind of sport that they have here.
Nah, good luck. Thank you.
With their bands.
Just with you and the kids.
Now you see them taxiing forward. You can see they're in a
They're
very
under the
tight
plane.
line here as they're coming forward. That's also pretty difficult because these are all aircraft. So we're all kind of used to like airline.
Wow, doon sila.
Picture! Sa ilalong sa airplane. Guys, look at here. Busy kayo sila, oh. Kaon sila.
What they do, having a blast and being out here for ground offs and all that happens here to make this work. So those things out here at the Garmin KC Air Show. Ross, back to you.
Thank you, Aaron Hupp. Aaron Hupp and the KC Formation Flight Team. Way to go, lady. We'll see you tomorrow.
And since they have to be handled like human beings, it has to be environmentally safe. You will.
Serious na sila guys. Ngaon o bullet
That's okay.
So,
It won't hurt. Directly out
muna
from
dito
the
ang
Massachusetts
show.
moving to the north at
Kami diri
1,000
nanago
feet
sa kay wa man ko dalaog.
is the Red Bull
chair.
helicopter. We saw it at the beginning of the show, but now the full
So daghan na dili lang kami. So
is
napagili ko area.
as it
Daddy.
goes into honor, Aaron Fitzgerald
Give me.
slows
Give
the
me.
helicopter down
Uy, kagahi.
and getting ready to step out on the
So once ata guys, magpabugnaw. Magpabugnaw. Thank you, love.
A champion skydiver now on the skid. Let's watch. Watch. He's away.
He's gonna land. So Casey Spector. Surprise, everybody.
Look, look.
Coming forward at about 22 to 24 miles. To turn right, he's steering, pulls on the left steering line. Makes some noise. Oh, he's turning into the wind. Pulling, putting on the brakes. Miles is going to be up here in just a moment as he actually guarantees you to get out of the harness, and he's going to bring the action to you every moment of it. Kirby Champs, red, 4,000 feet. He's going up almost 4,000 or 5,000 feet.
That's right. Field 105 is at 4,000 feet. You're going to have two jumpers jump out here in just a moment. Aiken's no who jump up to 25,000 feet. No parachute. And when he gets the parachute, he comes screaming in faster than a speeding ticket. He and Sean wingsuit and a plane flying together. Now Mike's coming straight at us. He's going to open his parachute at about 2,000 feet. Here he is. 3, 2, 1. Pull, Mike. Pull. There he goes. There's the parachute. Boom. He's on the Omicron. 120 square foot parachute. And Mike's
Where is it?
which is half the size that I had. And then Luke and Sean had. Right now, it's going to 270 degree right hand turn. Diving it down, building speed. Coming in hot, give it up for Luke Aiken. And Sean.
Woohoo!
And Sean, yeah.
Red Bull gives you wings.
That's right. And right now, speaking of wings, there's a red smoke going exactly like that. He's going to do things in this field 105 that are not normal for helicopters. Kirby's just having a good time with us. He's tipping it up now, going straight up. Helicopter's going normally through. Hammerhead. Side by side.
This is so rare because no other act in North America that I know of does formation helicopter and airplane
Look at that.
formation.
Hey, Matias.
This is it, really, honestly. This is Boston Cast living together, massive stuff, man. Helicopters and airplanes doing loops upside down. And that's just because this BL-105 helicopter has oscillating dampers. Called oscillating dampers. They're on the rotor blades that kind of take away some of the vibrations.
You are nuts.
Yeah. I'm not the one doing flips in a helicopter right now.
We saw him do some of this. You and I have worked together way too much. I tell you what, we saw a little bit of this early when you're right after your flag jump. But to do this, it takes a special skill. And for those who weren't around, there aren't that many pilots or helicopters like this anywhere in the world.
You know, there's 3 of them. Maybe 4. Yeah, and a couple of them in Europe. Another one in Florida, and this one right here. So, yeah, this is a very special thing to see. This is not that upside down, whipping it around. That's a
Look at the helicopter now.
on axis, looking good.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh! And you know what? The thing is, he's pulling up to about almost 2 G's, 2 times the force of gravity on your body.
Look at that.
And twice your body weight into the seat. And
Look at those.
And then right here it gets
Look at
lighter.
these.
And now it's down to about 0.4 G's. And then at the bottom, when it catches himself again, he's back into about a G. And it is a lot of force on that rotor head that pulls in.
The rolls are actually stalling one way at high speed, so there's a lot of backspin on keeps going, and you can increase that. The roll rate of this airplane is somewhere around 450 degrees per second. That's a whole lot of green, blue, green, blue, green, blue for Kirby Champs.
You're going into like a tumble. You know what I mean? Get some Kirby!
Snap roll and a half to the outside. And then Wardle snaps. And now, as he comes out of it, from that, there's 9 times the point of gravity for a very, very short time. He is a D-monster. He has to stay in incredible physical shape to do this. Right now,
He's got to maintain his weight. He falls down out of his head and his leg. Fight, get television in a spot. Anytime you get up into like 6 feet range, you've got to squeeze everything in your legs and your chest, and especially your neck to keep that blood in your head. He does a lot of training, and it takes a lot of physical ability as well as a lot of piloting at the same time. It's like chewing gum and juggling while you're riding a motorcycle. I only say that because I don't know how to ride a motorcycle. I don't either.
That's cool, huh?
It's like a helicopter.
Really cool.
Right here, defies logic. Coming in backwards, he's flying the plane backwards while he's finishing. Amazing for the Chambliss. Woo!
the torque control. This is the torque mode to turn the engine turn buttons on from the aircraft to motion. Either turn it on. There's one
Alright. Walang paabot. Wala. Wow.
It's hot. It's gonna be hot.
Ready. The show is about to begin. Today, your United States Air Force.
Look, Ezekiel. Very loud, guys. Very loud.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to make this next pass.
We're going home na guys. It's too loud. Look at that. Ah, Matias. Tungod sa kakusog, manguli. Ito na daw ni Mag. Hi, Ezekiel. Hi, love. That's too loud? Yeah. So, mauli nami guys. Kay, kuhan kayo ka ng particular. Dahan pa kayo mga tao. It's just a beginning paunta sa mga dagkot na panawang Matias food. Nagsipanabon sa gunggan. Okay, so. Mapunta pagsugod sa daghan kayong mga show na niya ba? Here, si Daddy here, Daddy Marine Officer Programs. Hanapot sila yung mga toilet. Kanan, so if you ever watch guys, si Tom Cruise na nagdala, hanapot sila diraan. Airplane, kanang Top Gun. Top Gun. And then, why you smiling? Maybe Daddy knows someone. Ikatatlo. Free na ka din mapapicture guys. Kasi maglinya lang ka. Kapila na silang entrance din niya. Okay, mahal man lang entrance. Mahal. Dira. Yes, gusto na mo ulit drag kasi nasa yung mga merch dari merchability so yan mga booth get it. Oh, you share with brother na. Ako ay gusto isa-isa. So, pauli namin guys. So, naghanap po ng uli. Yeah, hear me. Sa mong sakyan na bus. Pila-pila na naman. Naghanap po siya ng uli guys. Naghanap siya. Naghanap po bus na nakatang. So, never muli ka, makaulit ka kay na may bus dahil. Wow. Hey. Paulit namin si Daddy, si Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Paulit namin. Hey! Tindog pa rin. Uli nami. Uli na. Uli na kay init na. Hi Ezekiel. Ezekiel's ready to go home.
You gotta go upstairs.
Yep.
And right there.
Nanami sa
Right there.
Garmin parking area. Say, did you have fun in our adventure today?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Matthias.
6.
Yeah. Do you have a fun experience? It's our first time, man, guys. So we're not really. We're not very prepared. If it is pa fun, it's good unta when the kids have ear muffs, ba na lab? What's ganito lab? That you could cover your ear. Yeah, but still, it's very hot. So better go home. It's like 100 degrees, guys. Ay. Here na, mga bata. Yeah. Matthias, is it a fun first experience? Huh? Is that fun? Ezekiel, is that fun? Yeah? Nasa batuta, oh. Ezekiel, you have fun? Even it's too loud? Yeah. Luwi man kaayo, aksyon naman sila og. Pag syagit kay kuan daw kana. Kanang loud daw kayo. Ang dari ba nagpaibog. Ay, just the Lord. Minom ta guys, init kaayo lagi kay inubog na.
I want to look. Ready, white here.
Boys, mommy have question. Do you have fun? It's our first time, huh? Like seeing all those jets. What you like the most? Which part?
Straight.
Airplanes. Which one your favorite? Yes. Huh? The plane with like all is in line? Yeah? That whole?
I like that.
You like bus? And we ride a bus too. Is that cool? And you know what's cool thing? And you know what's cool thing? It's a school bus. You ride a school bus. See guys? I ride a school bus.
Did you go in a helicopter?
He ride the school bus and he ride the helicopter.
Were you
You did.
scared of the helicopter?
Yep. And
A
Ezekiel
little
is
bit.
kinda little bit scared. That's why daddy is with him when they go in that. Like it's like a display helicopter lab, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
No,
a.
that's a real helicopter.
It's like a real one that they will use.
It might be out of service, but that's a
Yeah,
real helicopter.
I know it's real, but I thought they just put a. Yeah, it's a real helicopter pero ambot og user iyo kuan pa ba to oro. Butang na sa dito. So what do we say to daddy for the fun day? Thank you, daddy. Thank you for the airplanes. Did you hear that, daddy?
Yep.
Yeah, and daddy bought the boys airplanes. So we thank you for daddy. Yep. So bye guys. See you in the next video. Love you all. Mwah. Hey, very good. Bye guys. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye. Say bye bye, Dad.
So I'm doing things.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. Love, love, love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Some flowers diri. Thank you. Agoy, gambol pa dayon oh. There is me hapit. You will get watermelon love. Vegas candy. Yeah. Here me sa among favorite local store doon sa among balay. You want candy? Go ask Dad. Lego candy daw siya, Daddy. Oh, that's cool. Look at love. It's a made of can of soda, Coca-Cola. Yep, it's really cool, huh? Made of can of soda. Pili lang mga kung ano. Hindi kailangan. Hi, Ezekiel. Hello. I thought you have your candy blocks. Yeah. We just get one candy, okay? Okay. Good job listening. That's a Twizzlers. Sila yung mga jam dari. May lami sa palachinka. So, end today here. Bugna. Yep, remember last time? You just didn't finish because it's sour.
Yeah,
They got that last time. They got last time. So, kini guys, may lahi og flavor na honey.
Mama, I
Honey. Mga langgunggong ni Daddy's. Coke na ko dadi. Hindi ko lang watermelon. Watermelon. Sige, lahi nga cheese. Wow. Yeah, I like ice cream.
what?
Do you want an ice cream?
Yep.
Yeah?
How about you? Someone? No.
What that one?
That one I
I
think
like
it comes.
red.
With the nuts or with
I like
Maybe just a chocolate lab. Libre ni Daddy. Kainit daw kayo.
You want the red one?
Look. Go hold it. Sakos will pay pa mana. Will pay. Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Get pa si Daddy og soda.
I did. So,
Ele po doon. Apoy bahin.
okay. Choose one down here, Matthias. One more, Jeremiah. One more?
Which one is yours, Ezekiel?
But the cheese that one.
You get one already? Yeah. There we go. Daddy got full hands. Thank you, love. Go na. So hot. So hot. Kauwi sa isa. Kauwi. Here, hold mama's hands. Hold the mama. Wait. Cheese. Oh, look, po yun yung. Yeah.
You in there?
Cheese like that. Eat it, eat it. You're funny. And mommy got a blue bunny.
You have blue ice.
Blue ice cream.
I have red ice.
Matiyas po doon iha kay.
But let's do that.
Saan? Ah, cheers naman kuya. Cheers. Cheers. Go, look, look. Look, 1, 2, 3, cheers. Cheers ni mamang. Bloop. Cheers daw me. Cheers na po, B. Toby. Oh. Oh.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.